So one of the things that we've looked at since 2017 is ways that we can be much more efficient with our employees. How can we use technology instead of hiring more employees and use the current employees we have? When we started looking at ITMs, we looked at several different companies. I called a local bank here and asked them what company they were using to help them with some of their services, and they mentioned Ellsworth. And I asked them, what kind of service were you getting? What kind of support were you getting from Ellsworth? And they said it was spectacular. I also called another local bank and they said the same thing. So I called and talked to one of their sales reps, Merrick, and Merrick and I have been working together now for 3 or 4 years. Unbelievable customer service. They always try to do what they say they're going to do.
Ellsworth has been amazing through the whole process. They were with us from the very beginning, probably about a year ago, so we've been in this process a long time. So they were there from the very beginning and helping us coordinate those meetings. They gave us recommendations from everything from our Check 21 software that we had to implement, as well as the surrounds for the aesthetic of the machine itself. Very important role that they played in helping us make those decisions.
I have so many of their phone numbers that I can text, call. Aaron has never failed to one time answer my phone call or text me back at any time during the day. And any problem I have, I probably go to him before I even send a service call in, because he tells me exactly what to do. And I appreciate that. He hasn't failed me one time. The technicians that they send out explain everything thoroughly. They help me, they help even our clients. You know, they've been out there whenever our clients come through and they help sell it as well. And it's just been a really good personal relationship.
When we took the technology forward, we increased our hours, so we added an additional 14 hours a week, which is important for our clients. We want to be able to serve them so our customers can come through whenever it's most convenient for them. And then just being able to see the same faces that they were seeing inside the branches before we adopted the iBanker technology.
The extended hours we're able to offer for our clients to come in an hour before the branches open up or an hour after the branches close. You know, my favorite stories are those clients that are afraid of change, and after we've spent time with them and showing them how to use it, they've come back and said, this is the easiest thing, this is great. Friendly response on the other side of the iBanker. So the iBankers are doing wonderful with our clientele and helping them out to learn and make it easy for them.
Our technician, Aaron, is unbelievable. He's spent many hours working with us and working through these things. Merrick has always been very responsive too, to try to make sure that we get the help we need. So they have fulfilled to me what they said they were going to do, and I just think they've done a great job.